So part two of our visit to Spartan Superbikes, we're going to have a look at this R7. So one of the coolest homologation bikes of all time, and yeah, pretty excited to learn more about it.
So it's a homologated bike that the race teams had to run that had to be street legal back when they were doing this in the 90s and early 2000s.
Yeah.
So I think they made a total of 500 of these, and we got 50 in the States.
Okay.
And 12 or 13 went straight to the race teams.
Gotcha.
So it's technically supposed to be a street legal bike that the race teams then can go and modify after that.
Yeah, yeah.
This one would be right now considered a B motor, B bike. So the A bikes were the works bikes.
Yeah.
They made like roughly 165 to the ground.
Yeah.
And this one's making, so it's a little bit more tamer engine, but it's a lot more than stock.
Okay.
So this one's making 147. And with the factory bodywork right now, we could put it on the scales. This thing weighs 380 pounds with 2 pounds of fuel in it.
Wow. So the street bikes, did it come with this fuel tank?
So the fuel tank, the bodywork, the frame, the fuel tank, everything is still factory on this. The swing arm looks factory, but it's not. It's actually a works swing arm.
Okay.
I have the works forks on it. I think these are the 67 or 6900s. It's the works calipers, works rotors. I think that rear wheel is Jamie Hacking's wheel.
Okay.
They're full magnesium wheels, Marchesini. And then I have Chuck set me up years ago with a lot of parts. It's got a works radiator on it. It's got his triple tree set up. The eccentrics and everything on the swing arm are all different, and the linkage, the dog bones, everything.
So were these kind of their own thing, or were they like modified OW01s or like?
Nope, they were their own thing.
Yeah.
They just made it for technically that 99 year, maybe 2000 in some parts of the world.
And does much of the parts cross over to other models?
Nope,
No?
this is it.
Interesting.
Besides the wheels, the forks, the brakes, and the rotors, it's its own entity.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Super cool. Do you ride this one?
From time to time.
Yeah.
From time to time. This one doesn't have a radiator so big. This one doesn't have a fan on it.
Okay.
So I got to watch out.
Yeah.
And everything's in Celsius, so I got to convert.
Do the math.
I gotta do the math. Yeah, it's definitely my favorite on the street.
You prefer the R7 over the S-Rad?
Yeah, this is a really good bike. I'm a Suzuki guy, but this is an outstanding motorcycle. They did a great job on it.
Yeah. Was it very successful racing?
In Haga's hands,
Yeah.
so they stole it from him.
Yeah. What do you mean by that?
Oh, they tried to, whatever they were saying about his pill use or something
Oh,
to gain
okay.
energy or whatever they did back then. And,
Yeah.
and they took the championship away from him. They docked him points or something of the sort. But
Gotcha.
yeah, this is definitely, I've had all the 90s and early 2000s bikes, and this is by far, even as a street bike. As a street bike, this thing only made 106 horsepower. And they made it that way, I guess, to comply with Germany's regulations,
Okay.
where only the primary injectors turn on. This has two sets of injectors.
Yeah.
So to get the secondary set of injectors on, you had to get the race harness and a different ECU, which I think was $7,000 back then.
But the bike came with the second set of injectors?
Yeah, everything's opened up on this one.
Really? Mm-hmm. Interesting.
Yeah, that's all it would get is, I guess, 106 horsepower with just the primary injectors.
Do you have any advice for a bike like this that doesn't get ridden very often? Like how do you store it or fuel or?
My trick is, we were kind of talking about it before, my trick is the Echo premixed two-stroke fuel.
Okay.
It's 50-1. It's 93 octane.
Yeah.
It has no ethanol in it.
Okay.
The oil ratio doesn't hurt anything.
Yeah.
It actually lubricates everything.
Okay.
And it's good for 2 years.
Interesting. And should you start it up every once in a while or?
You don't have to.
No?
You don't have to, especially on the carbureted bikes. What I'll do is I'll make sure the fuel's drained out of it. I'll put like a half a gallon of the Echo fuel in it, run it for about 30 seconds to a minute so it'll get into everything, and then leave it be.
Awesome.
And then you can start it every once in a while, but then after about 2 years, I'll suck it out,
Yeah.
put fresh Echo fuel in it if it's
Yeah.
not going to get ridden,
Yeah.
and then I'll run it again for 30 seconds to a minute, and then let it sit again.
Awesome. Where can people find you? You're Spartan Superbikes. You're doing some dry ice cleaning and
So
building some
yeah,
bikes?
I got Mike's Resto Mods. I got Spartan Superbikes, and then our new company is Lazarus Motorsports.
Okay.
And that one we're doing cars, we're doing dry ice, we're doing laser rust removal,
Yeah.
specialized stuff like that.
Yeah.
A lot of detail stuff, a lot of high-end things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Been
Well-
doing it for a while. Been doing it for the bikes and everything for 15 years now.
Yeah. Well, you got some amazing machines, and I really appreciate you taking the time
Oh,
to
yeah.
show them to us. And it's pretty special. You don't see these bikes very often, so
No, I do get, yeah, and that's the thing. I get the few times that I take this out to like a bike show, people
Yeah.
are usually like, that's a unicorn. I've seen it in a magazine.
Yeah.
And, or is that an R1 or an R6?
yeah. No, that's
And
pretty
I'm like,
amazing.
it's an R7. And they're like, what do you mean?
My buddy has an R7. It
Yeah,
doesn't
and
look
then
like this.
Now, and I know, now they got the new R7s.
Yeah.
And you know, Yamaha Japan, they didn't want to name it the R7.
Oh, really?
That was American Yamaha.
Yeah, I could see
They
that.
were like, no, it's got lineage, it's got
Yeah, yeah.
heritage. Name it something else.
Yeah.
There's only one R7.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, awesome. Well, it's been awesome spending the day here at Spartan Superbikes, and really appreciate your time,
Yeah.
Mike. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, just leave them below, and we'll see you on the next one.